Have you ever met someone who changed your whole outlook on life? One afternoon, I was sitting in my car, lost in thought, when a 16-year-old boy gently tapped on my window. He asked, "Sir, may I clean your car's windshield?" I nodded, and as he worked with quiet focus, I reached into my wallet and handed him a $20 bill. His eyes widened in surprise. "Do you live in America?" he asked. I replied, "Yes, I do. Why?" He looked down at the money, and instead of pocketing it, he said, "Could I ask you something about universities in America instead?" That humility, that curiosity struck me. So I invited him to sit with me, and we started talking. Eventually, I asked, "Why are you doing this kind of work on the street? You seem like a bright student." He hesitated, then told me, "My father died when I was 2. My mother works in people's homes to support us. My sister and I do little jobs like this so we can keep going to school. I've heard American universities offer scholarships, and it's my dream to study there, but I have no one to help me." I felt a lump in my throat, so I said, "Come on, let's have dinner together." He smiled and replied, "Only if I can clean your rear windows too." I laughed, agreed, and we went to a small restaurant. He asked the waiter to pack the food. He wanted to share it with his mom and sister. And as we talked, I realized his English was flawless. We exchanged numbers, and I promised to help him however I could. Within 6 months, I managed to bring him to America. He earned a scholarship and was quickly recognized as one of the youngest tech engineers in his field. His story caught the attention of the New York Times, and soon, the world knew his name. I wanted to do more, so I quietly arranged visas for his mother and sister. The day they arrived, he was so overwhelmed he couldn't even cry. That moment, seeing their family reunited, was pure, unfiltered joy. Today, Farid Abdul Ali is a celebrated professor at Harvard University. But a few days ago, I looked outside and saw him again, cleaning my car windows. I rushed out. "What are you doing?" I asked. With tears in his eyes, he said, "Please, sir, let me do my work. I don't ever want to forget who I was or what I've become, and I never want to forget what you did for me." That's the power of kindness, hope, and never forgetting where you come from. If Farid's story touched you, remember, sometimes one small act of kindness can change a life, and maybe even the world.